Hey everybody, it's John the Pool Expert. Today I'm going to show you how to set your heater up to your controller so you can set it up on the right type of remote control. So let's check it out. First thing you're going to do is you're going to push down all three of these buttons together. And you hold it down for like 10 seconds. Until it says service setup. And then just gonna go hit the down arrow until it says remote, and then hit menu. And then you pick up, right now it's set for standalone. You can do high, low, common. That is for a 3-wire remote control. Some of the older panels use that still. This is thermostat remote right now. I just have it hooked up to the thermostat controller. So those are your options. And then if you use the 4-wire, it automatically connects. But this one, I use this just because it's a little bit more secure, I think. And then when you're done with that, you just hit menu and then hit pool or spa, and it's going to go back. So anyway, that's how you do that.